Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Rocket. Today's video I'll be talking about an arbitrage opportunity on Gate.io between Node Finance and ETH. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to navigate our CoinMarketCap. By the way, if you have not subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe on my channel, click on the bell icon, like this video, and also share this video to your friends. Okay, and we all know that this is not a financial advice. Cryptocurrency can be highly volatile, and I know that by the time I'm doing this video, the arbitrage might be working correctly. Maybe by the time you will see this video, it might not be there again, because arbitrage is something that doesn't last forever. So all you need to do to be getting all this kind of arbitrage, once I post it, you go and check it, and I will advise you to always do the same way I did my own. Always go to your exchange and just do it with a demo version. Once the thing work out, you now navigate to your real account. Okay, so if you have not signed up on Get.io, you use my link to get a lot of benefits. Okay, you get a lot of trading bonuses. Okay, so that you use my referral link to sign up to get all these bonuses, right? So without wasting much of your time, let us dive into today's videos. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to your CoinMarketCap, okay, and go to search and type Node, okay, Node Finance, and click on it. Okay, so as you can see, Node Finance have pumped and then dump. Okay, and now it's just going like that, right? So, and the trading value of this Node Finance is up to $0.1952. Okay, and as you can see, it has been listed on Get.io on USDT, Ethereum, okay, and also listed on KuCoin USDT and KuCoin BTC, okay, and also listed on DeFi network and Uniswap. It's a Ethereum network token. Okay, so as you can see, let us check the price difference between this Get.io and the USDT and the ETH. Okay, as you can see, this is the price in USDT of this token, right, in the pairs. You can see this one is trading at 0.1913, and this one is trading at 0.1911. So there is slight difference between these two, right? There is slight difference between these two. So what we are going to do now is to navigate our Get.io, and now we type on Node, and we choose Node USDT first. We'll buy Node USDT first. Okay, we'll buy Node USDT first. We'll buy, as I always do, 1000 USDT, and it will give us 5000 Node. Okay, I copied it and go back and click on Node ETH. Go ahead and click on Node ETH. Okay, allow it to load. Okay, it have loaded. Okay, and now put Node ETH. I paste it there and it gives me this value. I copied it again and now sell it for USDT, right? I'll say ETH to USDT. Okay, and now sell ETH to USDT. So I will say ETH to USDT, and this is the profit, and the profit is 1012. Okay, that is $12.58 profit. Okay, that's it. When I did this video, when I started checking this profit, when I find out this profit, it was up to $20, and the thing have reduced to $12, but it's still okay. Okay, so if really you want to participate, you bear it in mind that this have at least $12. It have at least $2 2%. 2% of trading fee on gate.io. Okay, and if you remove the 2% of 1,000 in this, it will be $2, which is we are making profit of $10. And if you check, if we go to our calculator and check, check $10, $10 times, maybe you will do this at least, let's say 10 times. Okay, 10 times, that's $100 profit. Okay, if you can do it 10 times very fast, you are making $100 profit. And even a lot of people might even go ahead and be doing it up to 100 times save to even accumulate a lot of profit, depending how fast you are, because as you can see, the thing have dropped and it might drop more, or it might even go high again. So if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. Okay, see you on my next video. Thank you.